Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to making shrimp crackers. Let's start it now. Okay, I'm going to add 1 cup of rice flour. And I'm going to add 3 spoons of cornstarch. And I'm going to add 1 egg. I add black pepper, like 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm going to add salt, like 1 teaspoon salt. I don't like too much salty, guys. I just add a little bit. Select teaspoon of sesame oil. And I'm going to add turmeric, like 1 teaspoon of turmeric. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of beef flavor. Going to mix it right now. And I'm going to add a little bit water for right now. Just a little bit first. Going to mix it again. And I'm going to put more water. That's it. Going to mix it again. Going to mix it well. Yeah, I think the water is enough, guys. Don't put too much water, okay? You have to mix it well. Yeah, the water is enough, guys. So I don't want to put more water. So I'm going to add like half teaspoon of sugar to taste good. Okay guys, this is I call baby shrimp. I don't know what you guys call, but I call baby shrimp. So I'm going to mix it with the flour that I already mixed it. So I'm going to put all of them. So I'm going to put the baby shrimp, all of them. Going to mix it a little bit. So the heat right now, I'm going to put number 5 to get faster, to get hot faster. So I'm going to put oil right now. Oh no, my oil is gone. Okay, I'm going to get more oil. Going to put more oil right now. I think that's it, enough. So guys, before you fry, you have to mix it a little bit like this, okay? So just take 1 scoop all the time to fry in the side. So I put in the side first right now. And I put in the side. So I'm going to put in the middle at the end. So I'm going to making low heat right now. I'm going to put like 2.5, so not get burnt too fast. Going to flip it right now. Going to flip it all of them. Okay, just wait a little bit. Going to flip it one more time. Just wait a little bit, guys. Okay guys, I think it's done. When you touch it, it's already hard, so I mean it's done. Okay, so I'm going to take out all of them. Okay guys, I'm going to put in the plate right now. Well done. Okay guys, all done. So this is, I already fried all the shrimp, all of them. I'm going to try right now. It's very crispy guys. Really good. It's really good. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.